Today we are going to make an Insta bot completely using Python. So we need some more software for that. Firstly, go to your browser and go to the Google and search for Python. Python is needed for this project, so we are going to follow that. Okay. Now we have to move to downloads. There are plenty of there. Download some Python there. I have already downloaded Python. So next we want the Firefox. So search for Firefox. You can see it there and download the Firefox. It's an important thing. Now we can check for Gcode driver. Gcode driver, it's available on GitHub. Okay, you can see it here. Scroll down, you can see downloads at here. Gcode driver Win64. I'm downloading that. Yeah, it's take bit times. Only 4.46 MB on there. Download completed. Now we want to save this Gcode driver on the Python folder. So for that, I want to unzip this Gcode driver. You can see it here. Yeah, make an unzip. Only copy this file to the Python directory. It's not an executable file. So go to brain C, usage, and my name Ali, and you can see Anaconda. I provided Anaconda for this sheet. Okay, if you have Python, if you don't have any Anaconda or thing like, you can search for .python at here and paste on there. It's only that thing. Now we want to move to our Visual Studio. Okay. Now minimize all the things. You can see Visual Studio is open. Now we want to make a terminal, new terminal, and we want to upgrade your pip. Okay, you can see it there. After that, we want to install the Selenium for our project. Pip install Selenium. Okay, I forgot that it's just spelling. I already installed Selenium in my PC, and you can see it here. It's already installed. Now we want to go to our project. My project name is Instagram. I want to make a py file, so insta.py. Yeah, emblem is there. Now we need some header and other things for that. So we'll start from Selenium, and we want to import some things for our project. You can see we want to import the web driver for the Selenium. Yeah. After that, we want to import more things for our project from selenium.webdriver. Yeah, you can see it. WebDriver dot. And one more thing we need is common dot keys. We want to import keys for this purpose. You can see it here. Now import the keys. Yeah, make the keys should be capital letter starting with K. That's not important for this purpose. Now we want to start our program, so we want to make a class. Yeah, I want to make a class name Insta. No, Instabot. That's perfect. Instabot colon, make an enter, and we want to assume some functions and for this class. Yeah, init. In init we want to add self, username, and password. This is for logging on that page. You also know that about that. Username and password. Now we want to add more things for this function in it. We want to call the self dot what's it's called username is equal to username. Yeah, that's perfect. We want to add that things for this purpose for time username, and now we want to add the password. So self dot password is equal to password. That's only at here at this stage. Now we want to add this bot at here. Self dot bot is equal to, we want to call the Firefox browser at here for handling this object. So self dot bot is equal to webdriver dot Firefox. Yeah, adding this parenthesis. Now the constructor for the instabot class is completed. Now we want to add more function in this class. Define login. Def login on the self. Yeah, and make it colon, and we define the bot function. Sorry, bot value, not function. Bot is equal to self dot bot. Sorry, I forgot the space between the equal to and the self. I want to add this for a better view. Yeah, self dot bot. Yeah, it's perfect. Now we want to add the HTML of Instagram. For that, bot.get, and we want to add the address at here. So for that, go to Google and Insta.com accounts login. Copy that. Yeah, and paste it here. It's perfect. Now we want to add that time function right here. Time.sleep. I'm going to add a 5 seconds for this timer. Yeah, that will be cool for a project because my internet speed is high, so it will be work for me. If your internet speed is less, so add 60, 50, 40 as you like. Now we want to initialize email is equal to, we want to find the email by its name. For that, go to the Google Chrome and press on F12. Yeah, you can see this thing for here. I want to find, we can find it by name. You can see the name is equal to username. You can see it here. Yeah, we want to find our login search box like that, search box by its name called a username. So bot.find element by name. Find element by name. Yeah, I think it's me. Total confused because of typing. By name and giving the name value to on this parenthesis, sorry, bracket, username. Yeah, it's perfect. Now we want to add the password box for our bot. Password is equal to, where is our, yeah, password is equal to bot.find element by name. The same thing as we done for email. We are doing the same mechanism for this password name. Yeah, find element by name. Now make a bracket. Now we want to go to our browser. Yeah, okay. Find its name. Oh, its name is also you can see the password. We want to add that thing for this bot. Make password. Yeah, it's okay. Now we want to clear all the things. For that, email dot clear. Yeah, and making this close. And the password dot clear. Yeah, it's perfect. Now email dot send keys. Want to send keys? Yeah. Send keys. On the bracket, want to add self dot username. We are sending the username keys, yeah, to the email. And the password dot, same thing for password. Password dot send keys. Self dot, what's it called, password. Yeah, it's now perfect. Now we want to add the return thing for password. Password dot send keys. Keys dot, where's K? I'll find it there. Yeah, I got it. Keys dot, where is dot return. The return should be in capital. If you are all the knowledge about this, then do this like a pro. Okay, I'm doing this video for some beginners. Make a time, begin time dot sleep. I like to give a 3 second for this. Yeah, now it's perfect. It's all the things are perfect. Now we want to check, is it working? Yeah, we want to check for that. For that, I want to give the obj is equal to a class instabot. I'm giving my Insta username tutorially000@gmail.com. Don't try to hack my mail ID. 000@gmail.com. It's your username. It's given as a code. Now adding a comma, and we want to add the password. I don't give that password. Now we want to call the login. Obj dot login, and the bracket. Yes, where is that bracket? Yeah. Yes, perfect. Oh, I just forgot the time, so I want to import that time. Import time, it's an important, then only we can call this time function over there. Now press on Ctrl S, and we want to run this .py file. Python space insta.py. Press enter. Wow. I think it's working. It's going a load. Yeah, the Mozilla on and going to the Instagram account login. Yeah, waiting. Oof. There's some mirror. Yeah, I just forgot the password. Not password, password name. Yeah, I cleared. Now we want to launch our app for one more time. Python insta.py. I just cut something from this video. yes, not for my back. Yeah, you can see now also it's not working. I just only give 5 seconds for that. Now we want to, oh yeah, want to see this. I just wrote set case, reset that send case. Okay, now I think it should be work. Control S and one more time python insta.py. Yes, I think the Mozilla is loading. Yes, going to instagram.com/account/login and adding my username, password and going login. Ta-da! Yeah, it's worked perfect. Yeah. I seem solely happy. Now we want to minimize and we want to add some more code for this. For that, we want to add a function like. Okay, I want to like all these pics, but in this video I don't complete this tutorial, so I'll give a bit knowledge about that for liking. Okay, I will provide only to the finding post autonomously. That's our project. Okay, for that I added a self and a hashtag. Hashtag is for some more things, interesting functions are there. Now we're giving a count value is equal to 0 and one more time the bot is equal to self.bot. Yeah, we want to find some URLs for this. Okay, I want to search a signs on this Instagram. You can see a URL at here, instagram.com/explore tags. Okay, after that only sign. So we want to copy it from tags to www. We want to add this thing, this URL for at there bot.get. Yeah, copy, make a copy, and we want to paste that bot.get and paste that URL. Now we want to implement the signs or what's the hashtag that's already defined on there. Now we want to define that hashtag at here. Make an append for this URL plus hashtag and plus. The science behind this is when we type the hashtag, it will direct to www.instagram.explore tags blah 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 and to that hashtag. That's all it. And we want to time.sleep. We can give to 2 seconds. No, it's 3. Now we want to complete our tutorial by adding one more thing, obj.like, and we are going a signs that's I want to search on Instagram. Now we want to save that and I want to see the working of my bot, Instabot. Mozilla is calling. It's worked fine. No error. Adding username, 5 seconds. Password. Yeah. Ta-da! I think my work is perfectly completed. I'm really happy. If you want to see more tutorials with my channel, don't forget to subscribe